Hi guys, it's your girl Tasha back with another video. So I did bantu knots last night, and yeah, I just covered my head with a satin bonnet so they would dry. But then this morning as I was taking a shower, they got wet. So I remembered something I had heard on something I had read on Facebook, where a lady said she dries her hair using a plastic bag and a blower. So I searched it up on YouTube and I found this channel. I think it's African Hair God. Yeah, he dried his hair using a plastic bag. Yeah, so I just wanted to share with you. So this is the plastic bag that I'm using. I already made some holes in it to allow air to get through, and I think this would be really good for drying if you don't have a hooded dryer at home, because they're quite pricey. And hot oil treatments, and if you want to steam your hair, this would really be a good solution to that. So that's what I'm about to do. So this is the blower I'm going to use. Yeah, just the ordinary blower, and then I put the plastic over my hair. Yeah, like that. And just make some space for the blower. Okay. And then choose what setting you're going to use, but I prefer like 1. So, okay, make sure to hold it in place and not burn my scalp with it. And that's it. That easy. It still feels hot. It really works. So yeah, it's just something neat that I learned and I thought of sharing. Thanks for watching.